During the scoping phase of our investigation on blockchain platforms, it became very apparent the importance of the idea of blockchain agnostic, meaning how can a company like Stahl balance the wide range of blockchain frameworks that might be on both the demand side and the supply side. Stahl as a chemical company is in a very unique position in that we are at the end of the chemical refinery supply chain. And that means our suppliers are a broad range of chemical companies, whereas our clients and customers are representing converters and ultimately large multinational brands. Middleware technology solution became the best solution for a company like Stahl to balance the range of blockchain frameworks on both the supply side and on the client side, and this is ultimately what led us to a partnership with Finboot and applying their Marco middleware technology.
Today, consumers, and therefore brands, are demanding more and more transparency around the sourcing of material. With Finboot, we decided to make this a pilot, using the blockchain technology to generate a digital product passport. Enable validation of assets with certification and provenance of certain raw material. We wanted to create a platform and so an ecosystem where we could share this information with our clients, allowing them to securely access it, preserving and proving the book value of the assets.
We made an exhaustive study of partnerships, and we ultimately settled with Finboot primarily because they had the right balance of size, flexibility, and adaptability to meet where Stahl was in our own evolution of not only blockchain learning, but ultimately an implementation strategy. Today, you'll find most of the newest technology in software as a system, or SaaS, and you can also find that many of these companies are basically software in a box. What we were pleasantly surprised with in favor of Finboot was that their service package moved beyond the box, and they were able to support us both at the local level and support all the technology needs that we would need moving forward.
Finboot technology is flexible and highly customizable thanks to their low-code platform Marco and their no-code application track and trace. This allowed us to take a truly agile and experimental approach, helping us to develop the project in what we called an initial environment. We were able to test and verify the platform and make sure it met our requirements.
The complexity means hundreds of products would have hundreds of unique supply chains, and those supply chains are made up by a combination of very large companies that are well positioned to understand blockchain and be some of the forerunners to deploy that technology, but it also has a very large number of very small companies that are important pieces of the overall supply chain.
The goal was for Finboot to understand the journey of this project, where the materials come from, where they go, and most importantly, the information about this product, certification, etc.
The challenge, in a nutshell, was how can we trace sustainable material and their product journeys? And how can we verify that these products are in fact made from renewable materials? In order to provide a higher level of visibility and its process, we realized that companies like Stahl needed a digital ecosystem capable of digitizing, recording, validating, and sharing all the properties of its products portfolio.